Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Venmo at Target step by step clearly. To use Venmo at Target, start by ensuring you have the Venmo app installed on your smartphone. Launch the Venmo app and log into your account. Next, link your Venmo account to a debit or credit card if you haven't already done so. Now, navigate to Target and select the items you wish to purchase. When you're ready to check out, inform the cashier that you will be using Venmo. The cashier will provide you with a QR code for payment. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Tap on the scan button, typically represented by a camera icon. Point your camera at the QR code provided by the cashier. Once the app recognizes the QR code, it will display the transaction details. Review the amount to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, tap on the Pay button. You may be prompted to add a note for your transaction if desired. Confirm the payment in the app by entering your PIN or using your biometric data, such as a fingerprint. Wait for a confirmation message in the app to ensure your payment was successful. After confirmation, the cashier will finalize your transaction. Make sure to keep an eye on your Venmo notifications for any updates related to your payment. You're all set to enjoy your purchases from Target using Venmo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.